Ayan, Nathan has a new present. Open the present. Wow, what is that, Mila? Oh, what is that? Monster truck. Are you sure it's a monster truck? It's a wow, what's that? What's that? Oh no. That's the remote control car. Oh no, yan yung nasa yung pinapakita sa kanya ng ano.
Hindi, mas maganda yan.
Mas maganda ba yan? Wow, oo. Nathan knows how to open the present. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, it's open. Oh, Diki Toto Dave, help me. Say Toto Dave. What is that? What is that? What's inside? Are you sure it's a monster truck? Are you sure it's a monster truck? It's a Speedmaster. Di kita to. Say thank you to Toto first. Thank you, Toto. Battery. Say thank you to Toto. Thank you. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, good. That's a remote control. It's a remote control. That's a remote control. You know how to operate that one? No. Do you know how to operate that one? Oh, what's that? No battery. Oops. You cannot get the battery?
Maybe the battery is where's battery?
No battery?
Wait.
Wait!
Where's mine?
No, that's not the correct one. That's not the correct one.
This one.
That's not the correct one. I mean, that's not the correct proper way to play.
How will you do it? How will you do it? No, Toto will teach you.
Toto will teach you. You just look first. You don't know how to play that one? No, do not do that. It's a remote control, me love. No, don't do that. No! Oh, look! Oh, wow! To the right. Oh. Stop. Wow, so.
Oh, you push it down, that's why it's...
Wow. Stay stop.
Don't push it down. It will be broken. Oh.
No, do not. Wow. Oh no.
No, but...
Lobat yan? Walang bagong battery. Dapat binigyan ka ng bagong battery.
Get it to recharge it.
Oh, rechargeable yan?
Oh. No, that one.
Uh,
No, that one. Yeah. No, it's not.
get the.
Charge it first. Okay?
It's a rechargeable, me love. It's a remote control.
Yeah, it turned it up.
Ano yun? Ako yung remote control. Magkano bilhin mo naman? Halos 2,003. Ha? Okay.
Mahal, oh my God, no. Toto will teach you. That's not the proper way.
Kaya sa lupa niya.
That's not the proper way to play that one.
Napakulog na lang yun eh. Hindi lang sabi. Mumbai na kanina. Ito, tata, charge it. 2,000 mura lang. Kasi yung problema yung remote, baka tapon-tapon. Meeting yung talaga.
Curious siya. Yung ano niya.
Yes, Toto! Teach me! Where's Tata?
Na, ano,
Yes, Toto! Teach me how to operate.
say, Toto Dave, please teach me. Be careful.
No,
No, do not hold it.
First. We will charge it first.
It's not like that. It's not the proper way in playing that one. It's a rechargeable, that's a remote control, me love. Remote control monster car.
Ito yung pala niya. Ito yung atras, ito yung ano.
Do you like your new car? Do you like your new toy, me love? Yes. Show Toto. You hug Toto. Hug and say thank you to Toto. Come on. Love Toto. Love Toto. Love Toto. Wow. Say thank you. Oops. Okay, bye for now. Say bye-bye, everyone. Nathan? Bye! See you again next time. Ako si Cutie Pie, pero makulitie pie.